FOCO is the best ADHD app I found. For me, the hardest part was always the moment before starting. I stare at my to-do list, feel overwhelmed, and feel like I had to figure everything out alone. That's why FOCO feels absolutely different. It doesn't just give you a list and leave you there. It breaks tasks into small, manageable steps, helps you understand what to do next, estimates how long each step might take, and includes a focus timer with calming music so you can stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. It feels like less another productivity app and more like having a calm companion helping you move from stuck to started. If ADHD, overwhelm, or task paralysis make it hard to begin, FOCO can help you take that first step with confidence.